Hello, Katri.
พี่ใบบัวมาทิชเชอ
Good
ร์เข้าแล้วลูก
morning.
Good morning ก่อนมาเร็ว Good
Good
morning ทิชเชอร์ก่อน
morning. Hello, my boy. Good morning.
เอา Good morning ทิชเชอร์เร็วเอาเร็ว
Good morning. Hi, Mirin.
Morning, teacher. ยังไม่ Good morning ทิชเชอร์เลยไป
Good morning, Teacher
Good
Maribel.
morning.
Good morning, Teacher
How are
Maribel.
you, Mirin? You're okay now? Mirin?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Very good. You are okay now. Very good. So you have to drink water, okay? Plenty of water. You have to take care. You have to eat fruits, Marine, okay?
Okay.
And vegetables, and also by Boa. Okay? We will wait first for the others. Oh, I'm happy to see you, Marine. I'm happy to see you. You are okay now. Yay! Marine is okay now. I'm happy to see you, Marine, and by Boa. Okay, let us wait first for the others. Okay, have you taken your breakfast already?
Yeah.
What did you eat for your breakfast, Marine? What did you eat for your
Carrot.
breakfast? Huh?
Carrot.
Carrots?
Carrot.
Carrots. Very good. Hannah, how about by Boa? What did you eat for your breakfast?
Food and chicken.
Chicken. Okay. So, have you drink your milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't forget to drink your milk, okay? And you have to drink plenty of water, okay? You also have to drink plenty of water every day, no? Hello. And then, I'm very happy, Marine, that you are already very good. You are well already. Cool. Hi, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
teacher.
Proud. Good morning. How are you, Proud? How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. So you just wake up?
Come on.
You just wake up, Proud?
Yes.
You finish your have you taken your breakfast already? And Jepsy is coming. Jepsy is coming. Hello, Jepsy. Good morning.
Good
Good morning, Gypsy. Okay, and we have
Emily.
Papa. Papa also is here. Yes, good morning, Papa. Papa, good morning. Okay, good morning. So good morning. Yeah. Okay, you can say good morning to each other, okay? You can say good morning, classmate. Okay.
Classmate.
Yes.
Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning, teacher Lilibeth. Good morning, classmate.
Teacher.
Good morning, classmate. Okay, for our science. Okay,
Lin Hà đi ăn.
Science, Petri, and are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready? Can you say yeah,
Ready,
boom?
we are.
Can you say yeah, boom?
Yeah, boom.
Are you ready? Yeah, boom.
Yeah, boom.
Are you ready? Yeah, boom.
Yeah,
Hep,
boom.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Hep,
Hooray. Hooray.
Are you ready?
I saw her.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Say yeah, boom. Are you ready? Yeah, boom. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray. Okay, you have to answer like that, okay? Again, are you ready? Are you ready? Again, are you ready?
Yes, boom. Yes, boom.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Yes, boom.
Okay. Hep hep.
Hep hep.
Hooray. Hep hep.
Correct.
Hooray. Okay. Very good. Okay. That makes our mind active. Okay. At present, because we need to wake up because it's too early. It's not too early. Maybe some of you just wake up, just like, just be honest, still in the bed. Proud. Okay? Okay, so now let us start. Okay, I prepared this one for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Get this one. You like dinosaur?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then stop. Okay, now let's go to this one. That's about dinosaur. You like dinosaur?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, you need to know about dinosaur. Okay, you need to know about dinosaur. Okay, look at this one. Okay, look at this. So let's go. Let's travel back. Let's travel back in time. Okay, let us go travel back in time. Let's talk about dinosaur. Let us talk about dinosaur. Okay, in 227 years ago, okay, we can see dinosaurs in 227 million years ago. It means it's very, very long time ago. Okay, it's very, very long time ago. You can see dinosaurs. Dinosaurs like this. Okay, so this one, let us check and let us check the about dinosaurs. Okay. Okay. In these dinosaurs, let us describe about dinosaurs. Let us describe dinosaur. What is dinosaur? What dinosaurs look like? Okay. So we can describe dinosaur and different. We have different and many kinds of dinosaur. Many kind, different kind. So we have this one. This one is small dinosaur. Small dinosaur, okay? And this one is small
Dinosaur.
big dinosaur. Very good. Let us describe the dinosaur, okay? Let us describe the dinosaur that we can see here in our screen, okay? This one is small
อันนี้เอา
dinosaur.
ค้างมาทำไม
And
ล่ะ
this
อันนี้ก็
one
ไว้ในนี้
is
ก็ถึกเข้า
big
มา
dinosaur. So we have here
เขาเขียน
small
ไว้เห็นไหม
and big.
ยังไงเนี่ย
Now let's go to the next. How about this one? How about this dinosaur?
เขียนไว้
This dinosaur is big or small? And this one. This one is this one.
Dinosaur.
Big dinosaur. This one is big and this one is
Dinosaurs.
yes, this one is big and this one is small. Small dinosaur, okay? This one is big and this one is small dinosaur.
We have this one.
Okay, we have this one. Look at this. You have dinosaur?
No.
Huh? Okay. And how about this? What kind of dinosaur?
No.
This one. This one. Is it big or small? This one. This one is fat. Big and fat. Fat dinosaur. Have you seen fat? Have you seen his tummy? It's fat. Fat dinosaur. So we have fat dinosaur and we also have thin dinosaur. Fat. This one is fat dinosaur. Thin. This one is thin. Look at this one. Okay, have you seen the dinosaur has spot also and has tail? Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, this dinosaur. The neck of the dinosaur. Look at the neck of the dinosaur. Is it long or short?
Long.
Long. And how about this kind of dinosaur? How about this one? Short. This one, the neck of this dinosaur is short. So we have many different kind of dinosaurs. We have long neck, and we also have a short neck. This one here. Okay, we have here long and short. Okay, you know already long and short. Okay, look at this one. Let us describe the dinosaur. Okay, the body parts of the dinosaur. So we have here, we have this one, the head. This is the head of the dinosaur. Okay, this one is the head of the dinosaur. Okay, and this one is the body. This is the body of the dinosaur. This is the dinosaur. Okay, who wants to see a dinosaur? Who wants to see a dinosaur? You want to see a dinosaur? So we have to go back 227 million years. Okay, so we can see a dinosaur. So we are now traveling back time. Okay, we are now traveling back time. So this is the body. Look at here. This is the body of the dinosaur. Okay, this is the body of the dinosaur. I want you to prepare your notebook before we go on further, because I want you to draw the dinosaur. You have to draw a dinosaur and color it. So that's why you have to look at this one, because so you can know how to draw a dinosaur. You have to prepare your pens. You have to prepare your notebook. I tell you yesterday, you have to prepare your notebook. Okay, notebook. Because you are going to draw a dinosaur, okay? And you have to draw a dinosaur. That's why you have to look at here, so you can know how to draw a dinosaur. You have to draw a dinosaur and color it, okay? And color it. So this one. Okay, look at this one. You know what is this? This is the hello boy. Good morning, boy. This is the tail of the dinosaur. This is the tail of the dinosaur. Okay, this is the tail of the dinosaur, and this one is the legs of dinosaur. Okay. This is the legs of the dinosaurs. And then look at this one. This is the claw. Okay. Okay. So you need to look at the dinosaur so you can know how to draw a dinosaur. Draw a dinosaur. And you have to pick. You have to draw a dinosaur, and after you draw a dinosaur, you have to pick a picture and send it here. Send it in our.
I don't know. I just saw it.
It's very easy.
You like dinosaur or not yet?
You don't like dinosaur? Huh? Okay, so this.
I like kitty.
You like kitty? Okay, now this one. Look at this one. So you have to. You need to know about dinosaurs. Okay. Okay. Now look at this one. And this one is the arm of the dinosaur. This is the arm of the dinosaur. Okay. Look at this one. And this one is. What is this? You know what is this?
A pig.
This is the neck of dinosaur.
The pig.
Neck. Okay, this is the neck of the dinosaur. And this is the what? Arm of the dinosaur.
By sea.
Okay? You don't. So, do you think you can draw a dinosaur? Draw a dinosaur. Okay, you have to draw a dinosaur. You have to draw a dinosaur, and then you have to color it. Okay.
Teacher, I don't like dinosaurs.
Okay, look at this one. This is the face of. This is the head of the dinosaur. This is the head of the dinosaur. Okay, this is the head of the dinosaur. And then we have here this one. You know what is this? This is the legs of the dinosaur. And we have this one. This is the leg. And this one is the, what is this? This is the arm of the dinosaur. Arms. Arms. This one.
นั่งเล่น
Okay?
ก็เมื่อกี้
Okay, this is the arms of the dinosaur. And we have here this one. What is this? The body. This one, the body of the dinosaur.
เข้าไปเลย
This is the body of the dinosaur. Okay? This is the body of the dinosaur. And we have this one. What is this? You know what is this? Tail.
I don't know.
Tail. This is the tail. Tail of the dinosaur. We call this one tail. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay. This one is the, look at this.
Neck.
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 So we also have a
Neck.
neck. Okay, we also have a neck, but our neck is short. The neck of the dinosaur is long. Okay, look at this one and this one. You know what is this? Claw. Okay, this is the claw of the dinosaurs. And then we have this one. You know what is this? The horns. The dinosaur has a horns. Okay, horns. Okay, this is the dinosaur. And then the tongue of the dinosaur. This one. Okay, tongue of the dinosaur. Okay. Now let's go to this one. No need for this one. Okay, now let's go to this. So we have dinosaur's name. You have your dinosaurs? Have your dinosaurs?
เป็นกระดาษมัน
Are you playing dinosaurs? No. Are you playing dinosaurs? No.
Yes.
Are you
No. No.
Okay, I think. Oh, no, you don't have
No,
a dinosaur.
no.
So you didn't have a dinosaur, you just have to draw a dinosaur.
I
Okay?
need a dinosaur.
What did you mean? One is the dinosaurs, okay? Different kind of dinosaurs. We can see dinosaurs now only in there are many kinds, there are many toys of dinosaurs, okay? This one, okay? You can draw this one.
Teacher, I can do water, please.
Okay, okay, bye, Boba. Okay, you have to draw a dinosaur like this, okay? You can draw two kinds of dinosaur, okay? You can draw a dinosaur, Papa. Like to draw a dinosaur. This one is an example of different kind of dinosaurs, and you color it. And you color it, okay? Okay. Papa.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So you can choose also one. There are kind of dinosaur. Okay, and then you can put name of your dinosaur. My dinosaur's name is Papa.
Papa
Papi. What's the name of your dinosaur, Papa? You can name your dinosaur. After you write, you have to put name of your dinosaur. If you have,
I don't.
after you draw a dinosaur, you have to put like this. Dinosaur's name is Papa Pig. What's the name? Okay. You have to name your dinosaur, and it has two legs. It is fat or dead. If it is fat or dead, it I has a big or small head. Okay, either your dinosaur is big or small head. You understand? You understand? You have to draw a dinosaur, okay? You have to draw a dinosaur. Draw dinosaur. Okay, you have to draw a dinosaur like this.
I don't know that.
This one.
This one.
This one, you can draw like this. The dinosaur, the body of the dinosaur, and the neck is too long like that. You can draw. This is very easy to draw. And then you will do like that. Okay, you can. My dinosaur's name is. You can put name of your dinosaur. And it has 2 legs or 4 legs. Okay. You have to draw like this. Just put name of your dinosaur. My dinosaur's name is, okay? And you have to describe your dinosaur. You understand? Draw a dinosaur, okay? I will check that one. I want you all to check. I want you all to draw a dinosaur. And I will check that one. Just draw like, look at this one, Mary. By Boa, look at this one. Look at this one. Try to draw this one. Okay? Just try to draw like this. Very easy. You just try. You just try to do it. Okay? You need to keep practice also drawing. This is in your art.
Tisha, I don't know.
You can. You can do it by Boa. You can try to draw dinosaur. I give you many examples of dinosaur already, okay? Okay, try. You just
Tisha,
try.
I don't know.
Try. You can try, okay? You can try. Okay, you can check this one. There are many kind of dinosaurs. And you have to give name. What is the name of your dinosaur? Okay, my dinosaur's name is, you have to do like that, okay? You understand? Okay, this is the dinosaur, so you have to draw this one. Okay? Okay, now all of you, every face, oh, you have to do it like this. Everybody, look at here. I can speak English. Can you do it first? Because all of us try to speak English. Okay, right? I can speak English. I can you read this one? Can you help me read this one first? I can. All of you look at here. I speak English. Okay.
I can speak English.
Okay.
I can speak English.
How about this one?
You can speak English.
You can speak English.
You can
speak
speak
English. Okay. And then this one. We can speak English. English. Okay, so this is a challenge. You can say it. I can speak English. You can speak English. We can speak English. Okay, you have to try practice speaking English, okay? Okay, K3, because you are now in K3, you need to practice speaking English and okay? Okay, so for this time, I want to say thank you. I'll see you in our math class, okay? Goodbye. See you next time. So see you in our math class. After this is our math class, okay? Okay, bye-bye for now. Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher Alibek.
Bye-bye.
Teacher.
Bye-bye. See you in our math class.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.
I love teacher.
Okay, bye. Marin.
Teacher.
Okay, my boa. Bye-bye. Bye time. Okay, Gypsy Oi. Okay, bye.
Teacher, me have touch.
See you again. See you in our math class, okay? Bye. Let us continue in our math class.
I got your number.
Math class. Okay, bye. Bye time.
See you at Cashbolo.
No, not tomorrow. Math class. We have our math class today. Okay, bye. Thank you.